Hey guys, so today I am making this really delicious 5-spice tofu recipe, and even though I have to fry it, I have to say it is a definite must try. The seasoning is just such an easy thing. You just fry it, you toss it in afterwards, and it is one of my favorite things to get for Chinese takeout when I do get it. So I can't wait to show you guys this recipe. So as you can see, I have taken 1 box of firm tofu and I'm just going to cut it up into cubes so that they are nice and bite-sized before tossing them in just plain old cornstarch. So in total, I added about 1 cup of cornstarch in there because I wanted these guys to be really dredged before putting them in a pot of hot oil, 350 degrees, and I fried them for right around 8 minutes up until the point where when I tapped it with the strainer that I knew the outside was crunchy. So I didn't necessarily want to add too much color, so the heat wasn't on too high, but I did want them to have that nice crunchy coating outside. So I'm adding in a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of white pepper. Recipe is going to be all down below. This sweet Chinese 5-spice, and then a little bit of garlic powder and a little bit of sugar. And guys, I am telling you, this rub is so good that I think you could put it on anything and it would be amazing. I just added a little bit of scallions on top for color, and this dish is good to go. It's just really amazing because the tofu is kind of soft and, you know, very plain in the middle, but the outside is crunchy and there's sweetness and saltiness and 5-spice, and it's just so easy, but it makes such an amazing impact. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this recipe, and this one is definitely a good one to add to the repertoire if you are new to vegan eating, because it is very savory and it is very, very yummy. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you all again next time. Bye!